How to delete your chat history in ChatGPT. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open ChatGPT on your device, and just in case if you want to delete a certain conversation, you can simply open the conversation and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for delete. So tap on the delete option you see there, and in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on delete again. And with this, that particular chat will be deleted. However, if you want to delete the entire chat history of your ChatGPT account, then tap on your profile name on the bottom of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Here, you will see the option for data controls. Tap on it, and now here you will see the option for delete all chats. So tap on the delete all button you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the confirm deletion option. And just like that, all your chat history on ChatGPT will be deleted. So this was about how you can delete ChatGPT history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.